Welcome to the HAL APS channel. In this video I will tell you how HAL APS supports the make-to-stock production model. Production to stock is most often carried out based on the customer's own or external forecast. Production of this type is anonymous production. Its purpose is to build warehouse stocks that will be consumed by incoming sales orders. If these are our forecasts, production can be corrected by incoming information about sales in the store network. You can use the DDMRP strategy and analyze buffer penetration. HAL APS has internal forecast consumption mechanisms so as not to duplicate demand. The same index can be produced according to the MTO and MTS strategies simultaneously. In HAL APS, the source of demand for production to stock or production to forecast is an internal order. Forecasts are very often corrected, which generates a smaller or larger forecast error. This is due to unusual market behavior, legal regulations, golden shots, promotion accuracy, weather conditions, etc. A characteristic feature of production in the MTS model is the construction of large warehouse stocks, production in large batches, which results in freezing cash, the need to store manufactured products and post-season sales. Manually creating an internal order in HAL APS is trivially simple. Just select the type of demand source as MTS, the item to be produced, in what quantity, the desired date of availability of the goods in the warehouse. That's all. HAL. The source of this information can be the ERP system. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.